This stunning 3-bedroom masterpiece, crafted from 4 recycled shipping containers with breathtaking views of Colonial Knob Reserve in Wellington, is now on the market. Priced at just $680,000, this rare gem could be yours. Let's step inside and take a tour of this incredible home. From outside, you can see this amazing house is covered with timber cladding, and it is almost impossible to tell it is built out of shipping containers. The big glass door slides open into an open plan living space with a big lounge area nicely furnished with a sectional L-shaped couch with lots of space to entertain and lounge. The wall and ceiling have clean finishes, creating that impression of a big open plan space. This is a view of the kitchen with wooden countertops, an amazing cooktop, lots of storage space, and modern appliances through and through. This is another view of the lounge area, showing the big glass windows that drench this amazing space with tons of daylighting, creating that illusion of a big living area. This is a view of the lounge area, showing the TV stand. We also have a single flight staircase to the upper story with clean and crisp finishes throughout. A close-up of this beautiful tabletop, the mini split system on the wall to enhance indoor thermal comfort. This is a view of the staircase and a close-up of the dining area. Nice cozy dining space that can sit 4 depending on your configuration. A close-up of the dining next to the kitchen with beautiful task lighting for the dining and also for the kitchen counter. This is the general view of the kitchen space, showing the rear door from the kitchen that slides open into the backyard. This is a close-up of the kitchen counter, showing the cooktop and the big sliding glass door that drenches the kitchen space with maximum daylighting. This is a closer view of the backyard, showing this amazing outdoor living space, ideal for hosting parties and outdoor dining. A close-up of the outdoor dining table with an umbrella, ideal for outdoor dining in any weather. This is a view of the laundry and pantry area, adequate storage and clean finishes. A view of one of the bathrooms. This is a view of one of the bedrooms, well furnished with the flat screen TV mounted on the wall. A view of the office space in the house. You will appreciate the use of big glass windows to maximize on daylighting. A view of another bedroom. You'll also appreciate this big glass window with amazing views of the undulating landscape. A view of another bedroom, and you will see this is ideal for an office desk. It's a bookshelf and a big glass window with unrestricted views. This is the main bathroom. I like these colored wall tiles. You'll also appreciate the big glass window for ventilation and daylighting. The house showing the glass sliding door and the timber cladding on the outside. The general view of the house sitting on the lot, showing the 2 stories of this amazing shipping container project. A close-up of the house showing the exterior. A beautiful close-up of these are the floor plans. The ground floor plan is well designed with a big living area, a wet core in the middle comprising of the cloakroom and the laundry, and a portion on the extreme end to house the kitchen and the dining areas. A single flight staircase of the main entrance leads to the topmost level, and this first floor comprises of 3 sizable bedrooms with a master bedroom and a family bathroom. This beautiful house measures over 1,300 square feet of habitable space and is on the market for $680,000. Would you buy this amazing house for this listing price? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Planning to build your own shipping container house? Do not start from scratch. We have put together an amazing shipping container building guide that covers everything you need to know about how to build a shipping container house. Feel free to check it out and download free chapters of the book using the link below. If you like what you read, you can grab your own copy and start building. This guidebook includes over 300 pages of expert tips, step-by-step instructions, real examples, full color pictures, and professional illustrations structured into 14 detailed chapters. Inside the book, you'll find a free bonus, a floor plan of our most popular design, a real-world case study, and a checklist to plan your building costs. Download 2 free chapters of the book now. Grab your copy today using the link in the description below and start building. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email using info@sheltermode.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.